Hello, my name is Judy Williams on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're talking about different ways to decorate your living room on a budget. Another excellent way to decorate on a budget is to take a photograph and have it enlarged, and that's what this is. It's a photograph of a statue in a park in Missoula, Montana. And then we have framed it in a very smart looking but just ready-made frame. We purchased this plate hanger and sprayed it gold, and then I'm mounting that photo right there. This wall is a very special wall to us. The man of the house served in Vietnam, and this is a picture of a soldier from Vietnam. Beneath that is a letter that was sent to this gentleman from his father on his 21st birthday. And he kept that letter and had it mounted and matted, again with an inexpensive frame. And he was in Vietnam on his 21st birthday. So these two things fit together in theme, and they also have been framed to fit the space on this small wall.